Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls, them a come, them a want, them a take a Batman.
Girl, here coming at you guys today with another review from Samsbeauty.com. They were kind of just sending me out the unit from their Stylist collection. Of course, I will leave all purchase links down below. So I have the Stylist Swiss Lace Invisible Deep Part Lace Wig in style Simply Straight in a color OT Berg. And here is her placard. The model is slaying that color. I really like that color on the stock card. For this particular unit, this is going to have Swiss lace from ear to ear that you do have to cut off. And then she's also going to give you a 4-inch deep invisible part. She is heat safe up to 350 degrees. So let me take her out the package. So she is going to be packaged as such. I'm just taking her out of her packaging. Now, this wig, I really like it because I wanted something straight for the fall. I didn't want something, you know, too curly or anything because I need something for everyday wear. And so, yeah, this one is going to do it for me. She is going to be a very light yaki texture, so she's not silky at all. She does have some texture to her, as you can see here. She is also going to give you a lace parting right here. Look at that parting area. She gives you the soft Swiss lace in the front. Let me show you the inside construction of the cap. So with this particular unit, you're going to get total of 3 combs, 2 combs here in the front, a comb in the back, and then she also has the adjustable straps. Like I said, there is her parting area. Look, you don't have to do anything to that parting area. It's already done for you. And that's what I really like about this Stylist collection. Their parts are always so perfectly done. You don't have to really pluck or tweeze, add powder, none of that, because their parts are just done for you. So yeah, I am loving this burgundy. It's really, really nice and deep. It's not too bright, but it's just that perfect burgundy, if you know what I mean. So yeah, let me go ahead and throw the Simply Straight unit on. If you're interested in the unit that I'm wearing right now, this is Zuri Dean, and I'll leave her card right here. But give me one moment and let me go ahead and throw her on. So I have the Stylist Simply Straight on. She is really, really gorgeous, as you guys can see. She's not too long, not too short. She is, to me, the perfect length for every day. She can take you from day to night. She can definitely, you know, give you that extra pop of sass that you need if you get her in a color. Of course, if you get her in a 1B, she's more, you know, toned down. But for me, this will be my everyday go-to wig in any color, because I am just a little bit of extra. So let me give you a little 360 of this wig. Here is the left side. Here is her right. Here is all the hair to the back of the unit. And as you guys can see, she's maybe about a good 18-20 inches long. Here is the back of the unit. She has a good amount of body to her, as you guys can see. So she does have movement. She's not stiff at all. I am loving the fact that the texture is done really, really nice. It's not too silky. It's not too yucky. Like, the texture is perfect in my opinion. She has really nice bumps ends, as you guys can see. They're not ratty looking or anything like that. Here is that parting area. I just added some powder in the middle just to pronounce the part a little bit more, but I didn't have to pluck or tweeze it. And yes, y'all know when I love a wig, I can get a little extra. That's why my eyebrows match the hair. Yeah, I'm loving her. She's really, really nice dolls. Like, this particular one, I definitely will recommend for my ladies who, you know, want something simple and easy to, you know, throw on and go. Like, you don't really need big diva hair all the time. I mean, even though that's my preference, but you don't really need big diva hair all the time. Like, this particular one is, you know, I would definitely recommend it for any and everybody. My beginners, my intermediates, and my advanced. Like, she is the bomb. As far as tangling, no tangling, but she is shedding. That's my only con for this wig, is the shedding, and that's probably my fault because I did cut the lace a little too close to the hairline, but for the most part, yeah. And speaking of hairline, let me show you her hairline. Now, her hairline is pretty simple. It's nothing to, you know, cry home about or anything like that. But they did give us a little bit of excess lace right here to, you know, create some baby hairs and make her more natural along the perimeter of the hairline. And it's like that on this side as well. Let me show you, dolls. I'm just trying to, here we go. So, you know, you do have a little bit of extra wiggle room along the hairline to create some baby hairs and things like that. But this one does not come with baby hairs automatically for you. So you do have to create your own. If you don't want to, you do not have to. It is not, you know, mandatory for the baby hairs to be added. I know that that's the trend right now, but I can kind of deal, you know, go away with that trend. But yeah, she's really, really gorgeous. I love, you know, just the simplicity. She gives me that extra pop, the extra sass. I really do like this unit. So yeah, she is the bomb. As far as the dark rooting on this particular color, it is only in the front. It does not go all throughout, so just keep that in mind if you do get this color and you're expecting the rooting to go all throughout. It's only in the front, so just keep that in mind. The cap is really comfortable. I'm not getting a headache or anything. I do have the straps attached to each other. So I would say this is, you know, kind of big head friendly because I still do have room underneath here. It is laying very flat to my head. It's not bulky at all. The tracks are laid really, really nicely together. So it's not a bulky wig or anything like that. What else can I say about this wig? Oh yeah, like I said, she is heat safe up to 350 degrees. So if you want to curl her, you definitely can do so. Like, there's not much more that I can say about Simply Straight. She is under $30 if I'm not mistaken, but of course I will leave the purchase link down below. So let me know what you think about this wig on me. As always, thank you so much for watching. Shout out to Sam's Beauty for sending me this gorgeous unit. And like I said, let me know what you think down below in the comment sections. Don't be afraid to talk to me. I love talking to you guys. You guys are amazing. So when you get a chance to, thumbs this video up, comment, share it as well. And of course, I will talk to you dolls later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.